Respected Chief Guest of the 96th College Day, Bhatma Shri Dr. V. Morgan, Guest of Honor Dr. C. Jayakumar, Reverend Dr. Francis P. Xavier, Rector, Reverend Dr. Selvan Ayagam, Secretary and Correspondent, Dr. Melchias Gabriel, Deputy Principal, Professor Anthony Lebel and Dr. Dorothy Pushparani, Vice Principals, officials of the college, Reverend Fathers, Sisters, academic and administrative staff members, alumni, parents, benefactors, and my dear students. Greetings to all of you. We all know that 2020 was a very challenging year for all of us. The entire world came to a grinding halt due to the spread of the novel coronavirus. All schools, colleges and universities across the world were forced to close down their entire campuses indefinitely. Despite several challenges and hurdles, Loyola College swiftly adapted to the new normal, and the academic year 2020-2021 began with the unprecedented shift to the virtual teaching learning mode through well-calibrated and carefully executed online teaching learning methods. Much before the academic year had begun, the college conducted a range of faculty development programs related to online teaching in order to equip the teaching fraternity with the appropriate mindset and the know-how of teaching and connecting with the student community remotely. Loyola EduTech and Loyola Learning Management System, an indigenously developed system, were established with features and functions to carry out virtual teaching learning seamlessly, along with video conferencing tools and web tools. Because of our persistent and determined efforts, the synchronous and asynchronous virtual classes as well as exams were successfully conducted online. The college was accredited with A++ grade by NAAC in January 2021, and this has helped us rediscover our academic potentials and march ahead with renewed vigor and fresh perspectives towards sustenance of excellence and quality in our educational services. It becomes all the more significant for us as we are inching closer to the centenary year. With this deep contentment and honor, I would like to present the 96th annual report. Change of guards. The college expresses deep appreciation and gratitude to the following administrators who laid down their offices last year. Their extraordinary commitment and incredible leadership played a crucial role in spearheading and implementing the various initiatives and undertakings of the institution. The college proudly welcomes the new administrators who have assumed different leadership roles in this academic year. As a new initiative, 3 academic coaches have been appointed by the management this year. The academic coaches will guide the junior teaching staff and will extend the support and hand-holding required to strengthen their academic, pedagogical and research skills. hearty welcome to the three academic coaches. I also extend a warm welcome to the new heads and coordinators appointed in 9 departments and the incumbent administrators, and profoundly thank the outgoing officials, heads and coordinators for their invaluable service to the institution. Achievements of the college. Loyola College achieved All India 6th rank in the category of colleges by National Institutional Ranking Framework, what is called NIRF. India Today ranking placed the college 7th in arts, 5th in commerce, 5th in sciences, 8th in social work, 3rd in BBA and 3rd in BCA categories. The magazine The Week assessed our college 4th in arts, 4th in commerce and 4th in sciences. Thank you, dear staff and students, for bringing laudable feats to Loyola. Infrastructure. Loyola College is happy to add one more cricket ground for the use of our students near the old cow shed. The School of Commerce will be adorned with one more floor with the financial assistance from the Sun Foundation. The campus has been given a gorgeous facelift during this academic year with broad roads and beautiful signages. New courses: BCom Accounting and Finance and BCom Computer Applications are the new 2 courses started this year with an intake of 40 students in each course. New endowments instituted. 3 new endowed scholarships were instituted to the tune of rupees 8,43,500 during this academic year. Admissions. Owing to the new normal, the massive processing of admissions for 2021 was efficaciously carried out online. The college received 38,352 applications online for the 3,280 seats. The admissions committee and the entire support team deserve a fantastic appreciation for expediting and completing the admission process on time, and this enabled us to start classes for the first year students on time. Results. May 2020. The overall pass percentage of the UG programs was 89.40%. The postgraduate programs 96.96%, and MPhil programs 98.36%. Among the undergraduate programs, commerce courses recorded the highest pass percentage with 92.74%. And among the postgraduate programs, the science stream recorded the highest with 98.56%. Training and Placement Cell. Campus recruitment drive for the final year graduate and postgraduate students commenced in the first week of September 2020 through virtual mode. A total of 86 companies visited the campus and 331 students were hired, among whom 109 students were from science, 201 from commerce and 21 from arts streams. The highest salary package offered was 21,97,187 per annum. Achievements of faculty members. In an analysis conducted by Stanford University, USA, and published in PLOS Biology in October 2020, Reverend Dr. Innasimuthu S.J., was listed in the top 1% of scientists in the field of biology, and Dr. Alexander, Professor Emeritus, and Dr. Judith Vijaya were listed in the top 2% scientists in the fields of inorganic and nuclear chemistry and materials, respectively. Dr. Judith Vijaya, Department of Chemistry, was also selected as a Fellow of the Academy of Sciences, Chennai. Dr. S. Jerome Das, Department of Physics, has successfully completed guiding 25 PhD scholars. Dr. Maria Pakyam, S.J., was recognized and admitted as a Fellow to the Society for Biocontrol Advancement, Bangalore, which is part of Indian Council for Agriculture Research, National Bureau of Agriculture, Insect Resources. Congratulations to the jewels of Loyola. Webinars, conferences, seminars, and workshops. A total of 40 national and international webinars, 5 online conferences, 10 guest lectures, 9 workshops, 10 faculty development programs, 1 symposium, and 1 seminar by various departments were conducted in this academic year. School of Commerce and Economics. From 22nd to 26th March 2021, the Department of Commerce organized a series of international webinars as part of the Management Week celebration. On 12th March 2021, a guest lecture on recent amendments in income tax was conducted by the Department of BCom Corporate Secretaryship. On 12th March 2021, the Department of BCom Honors conducted a national webinar on impact of artificial intelligence on the future of finance. School of Computational Sciences. The Department of Mathematics organized an international webinar series on mathematical teaching skills and e-resources on 11th and 12th June 2020. On 12th and 13th June 2020, the Department of Computer Science and Application conducted a webinar on career guidance for final year students after COVID-19 and software engineering. From 8th to 12th June 2020, the Department of Data Science organized a 5-day webinar series on career course on data science fundamentals. School of Humanities. On 2nd June 2020, the Department of History conducted a webinar on epidemics and public health, colonial India's experience. School of Human Excellence. On 29th and 30th June 2020, the School of Human Excellence conducted a faculty development program on mental health during unprecedented times and beyond. School of Languages. The Department of English conducted a virtual talk on the enduring relevance of Dr. Martin Luther King Jr. on 28 August 2020. An online panel discussion on La Femme et la Cuisine was organized by the Department of Foreign Languages on 22nd March 2021. A special guest lecture marking Veerama Munivar's 340th birth anniversary was arranged by the Department of Tamil on 7th November 2020. School of Life Sciences. The Department of Plant Biology and Biotechnology conducted an international webinar series on infectious disease, biology, diagnosis, preventive strategies of coronaviruses from 1st to 4th June 2020. School of Media Studies. On 7th June 2020, the Department of Visual Communication organized a webinar on the process of digital filmmaking and its benefits in post-COVID-19 era. The future of OTT platforms. School of Physical Sciences. On 24th and 25th June 2020, the Department of Chemistry conducted a webinar on advanced functional materials for biomedical and energy. The Department of Physics organized an international webinar on nanostructures for next generation devices on 16th March 2021. School of Service Learning. The School of Service Learning organized a webinar on problems of migrants and our responses on 24th March 2021. Research projects and publications. 10 research projects to the tune of rupees 2 crore 68 lakhs 63,737 are active. 4 projects were completed and 18 project proposals worth rupees 5 crore 95 lakhs 17,492 were submitted to various funding agencies. The Department of Science and Technology sanctioned rupees 1 crore 10 lakhs for improvement of science and technology infrastructure. Patents. 3 patents were obtained by the faculty members. Webinars. During the academic year, a number of webinars on research methodology were conducted and over 10,000 participants benefited from these webinars. Research publications. A total of 183 research papers that are listed in globally recognized databases such as Scopus and Web of Science were published by the teaching faculty. PhDs awarded. 9 faculty members obtained their PhD, 45 research candidates completed their PhD, and 4 faculty members received their PhD guideship, IQAC. Between 20th and 27th May 2020, 7 online faculty development programs were organized to train the teaching faculty in e-teaching and e-moderating skills. General academic staff orientation was conducted on 8th August 2020. Loyola EduTech was set up with 25 teacher trainers and 20 technical assistants in order to train the teaching faculty efficiently on essential digital and educational technologies. 4 training programs for the trainers were delivered and technical assistance on how to leverage smartboard technologies, and 7 workshops on various online teaching and content preparation tools was provided. 3 sessions of the Springboard Leadership Program for Quality Cycle members were also organized. 2 workshops were conducted under the Pramash scheme of UGC for the mentee institutions. Necessary data and documents were submitted for NIRF 2021 India ranking, India Today's The Best Colleges of India 2021, and the week's Top 10 Colleges 2021. Between 26th and 31st March 2021. Annual academic audit was conducted to revisit and restructure the postgraduate curriculum. 50 experts from across academia and the industry interacted with the departments and students. I would like to invite you to have a glimpse of the various important events held in Loyola College during this academic year. Sports activities and sports day. Loyola College has produced 2 international and 16 national players. Among them, 5 players won a gold medal in tennis and athletics in the national tournaments conducted in different states. Also, 16 state level players won gold, silver and bronze in different state level tournaments conducted across the state. Co-curricular activities. Loyola Students' Union activities. The inauguration and investiture ceremony of Loyola Students' Union 2020 and 2021 was held on 22nd February 2021. Ovations 2020. Ovations, a mega interdepartment cultural event of Loyola, was organized as a virtual fest this year from 15th to 25th March 2021. This fest was recognized by India's World Records as the longest online cultural event. The Forum for Loyola Women Students flows. Webinars were organized to sensitize the women students on gender equity, fitness precedes focus, emotional challenges in online learning environment, and insights of government jobs. International Women's Day 2021 was celebrated on 8th March 2021 through virtual mode. National Cadet, Army, Navy and Air Force. Our country's 74th Independence Day was celebrated through virtual mode, and the Republic Day was celebrated on campus on 26 January 2021. Awareness programs on the themes of tree plantation, say no to plastics, and drugs and alcohol abuse were organized. Cadet Nelson represented Madras B Group as the best cadet in RDC IGC held at NCC Training Academy, Idayapatti. Cadet Kotiswar represented Madras B Group in the Marina Republic Day camp and participated in the Chief Minister Rally 2021. The International Day of Yoga, underlying the theme of Ghar Ghar Mein Yoga as prescribed by the Ministry of Ayush, was organized on 21st June 2020. National Service Scheme NSS COVID-19 Prevention Pledge was taken on 8th August 2020. The National Unity Day Pledge on 31st October 2020 and the Anti-Untouchability Pledge on 29th January 2021 were taken by the volunteers. The Commissionerate of Chennai Corporation appreciated the Loyola NSS volunteers for rendering diligent service and support during the Tamil Nadu Legislative Assembly election day 6th April 2021. Loyola's response to COVID-19. Psychosocial intervention. The Department of Social Work, in collaboration with the Greater Chennai Corporation, set up a world-class online counseling center on the premises of the corporation and provided psychosocial support to the vulnerable people under stress and mental turmoil due to the COVID-19 lockdown. A special word of appreciation to Dr. Gladstone Xavier, who spearheaded this challenging project despite risks posed by the COVID-19. Loyola Help Desk. Loyola Help Desk set up by the college primarily identified students in distress and arranged dry food materials and necessary medical assistance. Effective counseling and guidance was provided to those in need. We express our deep appreciation to our 3 counselors for their selfless and compassionate service. Loyola staff and students joined the massive relief operation initiated by Loyola College Society to support the migrant laborers during the lockdown. Loyola alumni across the globe made generous contribution towards the relief operation of Loyola College Society and also undertook relief works in their own localities. Institutes of Excellence. Loyola Student Support Services. 59 students benefited from the Earn While You Learn scheme and 60 students from the Noon Meal scheme. Jesuit educational support was extended to 829 students by way of management fee concession to the tune of 70 lakhs 17,000. 27 students were provided with tabs and laptops to facilitate smooth participation in the online classes, and 20 final year students were given an intensive XAT aptitude test coaching. Entomology Research Institute. Entomology Research Institute organized 1 national conference, 2 webinars during this academic year. Entomology Research Institute has 4 ongoing projects from SERB, DST, Department of Biotechnology and ICMR to the tune of 1.02 crores. 12 research articles were published in renowned international journals. Loyola Institute of Frontier Energy Life. Life organized 1 webinar on taking research forward during the pandemic, in which over 3,500 academicians and students actively participated. Life has completed 25 years of research accomplishment, and the Silver Jubilee celebrations was organized on April 15, 2021, during which a postal stamp on Life was released. Reverend Dr. Francis P. Xavier Endowment was instituted by his doctoral students and well-wishers with the investment of 5 lakh rupee. Loyola Institute of Social Science and Training and Research. 2 online panel discussions, a national webinar and a special lecture were organized. In association with the Jesuit Refugee Service, JRS Tamil Nadu, the book titled A Refugee Dilemma, authored by Dr. V. Surya Narayanan, was launched. A publication on local integration as a durable solution for Sri Lankan Tamil refugees was brought out. LIMCOS conducted 3 online industrial collaboration programs. Loyola Institute of Vocational Education, LIVE. LIVE admitted 89 students this year, out of which 62 students joined the diploma program and 27 students joined the PG diploma program. LIVE organized 6 guest lectures, 5 workshops and 1 special event. Most of the faculty members of LIVE are industry experts. Loyola International Academic Collaboration, LIAC. 4 guest lectures by industry experts were organized on the topics: Be a True Management Accountant, Internal Controls, Risk Management and its Linkages, and Financial Statement Analysis. A 2-day IMA case study session on budgeting Luxor Cosmetics was conducted on 15th and 16th October 2020. Hutch BS simulations on strategic innovation and cybercrime attack were conducted on 24th and 25th November 2020 and 25th March 2021 respectively. Pondicherry University and Loyola College Society collaboration. Due to the pandemic, Pondicherry University decided to postpone the MBA admissions this year. However, classes for the second year MBA students were regularly conducted online. RCDA. 1 postgraduate student and 20 undergraduate students who are differently abled were admitted this year. A total of 85 differently abled students are pursuing their studies at Loyola College. Eastwaran Department of Tamil secured the first place in the state level discus throw organized by Tamil Nadu Paralympic Sports Association. Obituary. With a deep sense of sorrow, we mourn the untimely demise of 3 of our students. Philip Kumar, a second year BCom Commerce Shift 2 student, on 14th December 2020. Jervish Tony, a third year BVOC 3D Animation Shift 1 student, on 30th September 2020. Jaswant Roy, a second year BSc Physics Shift 2 student, on 5th August 2020. Let their souls rest in peace. Loyola Men's Hostel. The Loyola Men's Hostel housed 379 undergraduate and postgraduate students this year. Individual rooms were allotted to students to ensure safe social distancing in strict adherence to the government stipulated standard operating procedures. Health and hygiene was given topmost priority in the premises. A new hostel block was opened on 4th February 2021. Loyola Women's Hostel. In this academic year, there was a huge demand for admissions to the women's hostel, and subsequently the management constructed 3rd and 4th floors with spacious multi-purpose hall and modern laundry facilities so as to meet the increased requirements. On 18th March 2021, a counseling program on the theme of enhancing happiness was organized. Loyola College Teaching Staff Association. A new team was elected to lead the Loyola College Teaching Staff Association. Dr. J. Justin Rayappa as President, Dr. I. Jacqueline Sinarani as Vice President, Dr. S. Anuja as Secretary, Dr. M. Raja as Joint Secretary, and Dr. A. Vikram as Treasurer took charge on 12th February 2021. Non-Teaching Staff Association. The Non-Teaching Staff Association felicitated and honored Miss S. Germany, Selection Grade Lab Assistant, who took voluntary retirement on 3rd November 2020. The members of the association contributed financial assistance to the needy families of teaching and non-teaching staff. Loyola Alumni Association. Alumni Day was celebrated through virtual mode with the participation of over 800 alumni and their family members. 5 Meet Your Professor series and 8 international webinars were organized. This academic year, the association has initiated the Teach at Loyola program by international alumni. Words of gratitude. I'm honored to thank our chief guest, Padma Shri Dr. V. Morgan, for his valuable presence and inspiring conversation on the 96th College Day. I express my sincere gratitude to Dr. C. Jayakumar, guest of honor, for his inspiring address. I especially thank Reverend Dr. Francis P. Xavier, Rector, Reverend Dr. Selvan Ayagam, Secretary and Correspondent, and Dr. Melchias Gabriel, Deputy Principal, for their invaluable directions and support. Words of appreciation and gratitude to all the officials, heads and coordinators of the departments and various units for their astounding leadership coupled with deep commitment, and to all the academic and administrative staff for their dedication and support. I appreciate and thank the IQAC and WISCOM teams for their tremendous hard work in bringing out this annual report in a lively digital form. I'm thankful to all the members of the Jesuit community for their prayers and moral support. Above all, I thank God Almighty for His abundant blessings and for the successful completion of the academic year 2020 and 2021. Thank you very much.